Imagine creating a full-blown music video complete with a singing character, dynamic visuals, and cinematic scenes, all without a studio, cameras, or a production crew, just like this one.
The sun is fading, lights are low. You pull me closer, nice and slow. The rhythm's burning in my veins. Whisper my name, don't let it fade. Your hands, they move, I feel the fire. Our hearts collide, it's pure desire. No rush me, I'm on, just let it be. You're moving tight, just dance with me. Lento, lento, love me despacito. Hold me tight and baila conmigo. Feel the heat, our souls ignite. We're lost in rhythm through the night. Lento, lento, soft and divine. Every touch says you are mine. The music plays, we take it slow. Despacito, let it flow.
Today, I'm going to show you how to create incredible AI-powered music videos using OpenArt AI. With its latest updates, you can turn any song into a polished video in just a few steps. Whether it's a lip-sync performance, a visual story, or even an animated lyric video. If you've ever dreamed of producing your own music videos, this tutorial will show you exactly how to do it. Now, before we dive deep, here is something exciting. OpenArt is hosting a music video award contest starting October 15th. You can join the waitlist right now, and here is why you should. Over 50,000 in cash prizes across 20 categories. You also get the opportunity to be featured on OpenArt's official channel and the New York City Times Square billboards. Not only that, but you get a 1-year free subscription and shoutouts from celebrity ambassadors and chances to be featured in celebrities' music videos. So if you've been curious about AI-generated music videos, now is the best time to start learning and experimenting. You'll find the link to OpenArt AI in the video description below. When you sign up to OpenArt AI, it will land you to this main dashboard. OpenArt's music video section has been redesigned and now offers 4 creative styles. The first style is the singing video, mainly for lip-sync performances with your character singing to the camera. And the second one is the narrative video, for story-driven videos that focuses on visual instead of performance. And the third one is the create animation that responds to your song's beats, mood, and lyrics. And finally, but not the least, is the lyric video. This is mainly ideal for caption-based videos. We'll begin with a singing video because it's the most interactive and will teach you the core steps first. The first incredible update is now it supports songs up to 5 minutes long. Now, one thing you must keep in mind is the longer the track, the more credits it will cost to render the final video. All we have to do is either paste a link of our song from platforms like Suno, or upload or drag the music file here. I will select upload or drag because I already prepared a music file that I generated in Suno AI. Once uploaded, hit play to preview the song and make sure it's ready to go. Or you can crop to a specific section, that's if you want to. I'll leave it just like that and hit confirm. Next, you need to select your character. You can choose a character you've trained from your character's library, or you can pick one from the community library, or you can upload a custom image to create a new character just for this video. Now, the cool thing about using your character is when it is selected, you will see the allow character outfit changer. This allows your character's changed outfit in every scene. I'll upload a custom image for this example. All you have to do is give it a name and upload the image. You can also train your character for higher consistency, but I'll just hit create and you'll see my character here. Now, this character will only be used for this specific video. If I need to use this character in the second video, I have to upload it. But if I don't want to be uploading it each and every time, I can create it as my character using this specific image so that it is part of my character's library. But with the custom character, you will not be able to see the change outfit feature. I'll select the custom avatar that I just created. Now here you need to describe your scene. Though it is optional, but I highly recommend you put in something. Whether it's a specific location where you want your video to take place to, or just the entire vibe of a video you're imagining. Keep it short and specific. For example, I would say glamorous rooftop performance at night, singing gracefully under a moonlit skyline. Next, choose the aspect ratio that matches your platform. Square, vertical 9:16 for Shorts or TikTok, or widescreen 16:9 for YouTube. Click advanced option to unlock more tools like include Barrel Shots, which adds cinematic cutaways between singing scenes to give the video a professional feel, or match video to beat. This aligns the scene transitions perfectly with your music's rhythm. And we've got the show caption where it displays lyrics while the song plays. I think this is great for sing-alongs, but you can switch it on or off if you don't need the captions in your video. I'll just turn it off. On the image mode here, you can select any that you would want to go for, but I highly recommend Seedream 4.0 or Nano Banana. For the video models or lip sync models, you can choose either OpenArt Lip Sync or Hedera. I'll go for OpenArt Lip Sync because it tends to look more smoother and more natural. And before you hit create a full video, I highly recommend you preview the entire storyboard. This will let you see how your video will look, the scenes, the character poses, the camera angles before you create the entire full video. Here you'll be able to examine each frame and check for any mistakes such as duplicate characters or out of place objects or anything that looks unusual or doesn't belong in the music video you're creating. Make sure you go through each image and ensure everything in the scene looks natural and highly consistent. For example, I do not like this image in this scene. All I have to do is, first of all, read through the entire prompt that was used to create this image so that I can have an idea of exactly what was happening in the scene. Once I'm satisfied, I can edit this entire prompt, or I can just leave it the way it is and hit retry image to create a second image for this specific scene. And you'll be able to see the second image generated. So you can choose between the two images which one suits or best describes your scene. Now, this step saves both time and credits, especially for longer tracks. And this is the prompt that will be used to convert this image into a video. Once your storyboard looks good, click Generate a Full Story. The lip sync video may take a few extra minutes to process, but you will receive an email when it's ready.
The sun is fading, lights are low. You pull me closer, nice and slow. The rhythm's burning in my veins. Whisper my name, don't let it fade. Your hands, they move, I feel the fire. Our hearts collide, it's pure desire. No rush me, I'm more, just let it be. You move in time, just dance with me. Lento, lento, love me despacito. Hold me tight and baila conmigo. Feel the heat, our souls ignite. We're lost in rhythm through the night. Lento, lento, soft and divine. Every touch says you are mine. The music plays, we take it slow. Despacito, let it flow. Moonlight kisses on my skin. I feel your breath that pulls me in. Every beat's a sweet caress, wrapped in this drop.
After rendering, open the timeline editor to retry or replace clips that didn't sync well. Here you'll be able to see all the video files that have been generated and how they've been arranged on your timeline together with the music file at the bottom. And here you'll be able to see the video icon and the still image icon. On the still image here, you'll be able to see the prompt that was used to generate that specific image. Again, you can click on retry to regenerate the image for that scene. And here on top, you can add images, music, voiceover, and the captions. That's if you want to. And if you would love to export your video, all you have to do is click on the export button here and hit export and download. Now, let's quickly look at the other three video styles. Let's start things with narrative video. This tells a visual story without the character singing. There's also a cool one text style mode that transitions one frame into the next for seamless continuous shots. Again, all we have to do is upload the music file and hit confirm. Once uploaded, we need to select a character. I'll just select a character that I've already trained in my characters library. On the allow character outfit changes, I'll select yes to just get that variation. And again, here we need to describe what story we want to tell with our music. Or you can leave it blank and allow the AI to craft one for you. Or just paste in my simple prompt and I'll turn on the one text style which I explained earlier and leave the aspect ratio to 16:9. In the advanced settings, I'll leave the image mode to character, and on the video resolution, I'll go for the highest quality, which is 1080p. And on the video mode, I'll leave it to Seedance 1.0 Lite and hit a previous storyboard just to get an idea of how everything will look before we create a full video. Again, you can tweak the prompt and retry to generate a second image. That's if you do not like the image that has been generated for that specific scene. Make sure you go through this entire storyboard and ensure everything looks perfect. If you're okay with how everything looks, hit create full story to generate the full video, and once it's generated, this is how it looks.
The sun is fading, lights are low. You pull me closer, nice and slow. The rhythm's burning in my veins, whisper my name, don't let it fade. Your hands, they move, I feel the fire, our hearts collide. It's pure desire, no rush me, I'm on, just let it be. You move in time, just dance with me. Lento, lento, love me despacito. Hold me tight and baila conmigo. Feel the heat, our souls ignite. We're lost in rhythm through the night. Lento, lento, soft and divine. Every touch says you are mine. The music plays, we take it slow. Despacito, let it flow. Moonlight kisses on my skin. I feel your breath that pulls me in. Every beat's a sweet caress, wrapped in this drop.
Okay, again, you can open the edit this story and edit your entire story. If you do not like the captions, you can simply click on caption here on top and turn off the caption for them to disappear in your video. Now, before we dive into some awesome tips, let's look at the visualizer. Now, this is a very handy tool that lets you create moving pictures or animations that follow the music. The animations can react to the song's beat and words. You can also allow auto detect for the AI to auto select a specific style for the music that you've given it. But for me, I'll go with the Midnight Blue Soul and hit a preview storyboard, and again go through my entire story and check for any errors or any visuals that I do not like. And once I go through the entire storyboard and I'm happy with how everything looks, I hit generate a full story. And once the story is generated, this is how it will look.
The sun is fading, lights are low. You pull me closer, nice and slow. The rhythm's burning in my veins, whisper my name, don't let it fade. Your hands, they move, I feel the fire, our hearts collide. It's pure desire, no rush me, I'm on, just let it be. You move in time, just dance with me. Lento, lento, love me despacito. Hold me tight and baila conmigo. Feel the heat, our souls ignite. We're lost in rhythm through the night. Lento, lento, soft and divine. Every touch says you are mine. The music plays, we take it slow. Despacito, let it flow. Moonlight kisses on my skin. I feel your breath that pulls me in. Every beat's a sweet caress, wrapped in this drop.
Okay, to edit anything in our video, all we have to do is select edit this story and select timeline, and we can select any specific video, and here we'll see the video icon and the image icon. If we do not like the video, we can again hit on a retry video for us to get another clip for that specific scene. Same applies with the images. And if we do not want the caption in our video, all we have to do is select the T icon here and turn off the caption, and we'll see the captions removed in our video. Again, you can try out different styles and see which one really matches with what you want to create. Now let's try out the final one, which is the lyric video. Now this feature puts the karaoke style lyric on your video. You can turn on the animate video to make the lyric move with the music. Check the words carefully because AI sometimes can generate the lyrics wrong. Select the aspect ratio. Select the resolution in your advanced setting. I highly recommend you hit a preview storyboard. And once you check everything is okay, just hit create full video.
The sun is fading, lights are low. You pull me closer, nice and slow. The rhythm's burning in my veins. Whisper my name, don't let it fade. Your hands, they move, I feel the fire. Our hearts collide, it's pure desire. No rush me, I'm more, just let it be. You move in time, just dance with me. Lento, lento, love me despacito. Hold me tight and baila conmigo. Feel the heat, our souls ignite. We're lost in rhythm through the night. Lento, lento, soft and divine. Every touch says you are mine. The music plays, we take it slow. Despacito, let it flow. Moonlight kisses on my skin. I feel your breath that pulls me in. Every beat's a sweet caress, wrapped in this drop.
Again, if there is a specific error in your image, you can just select it. For example, in this scene, the word is supposed to be let, but the letter T is not available. All you have to do is select it, and here select the image and make sure that you check how it has been spelled. Here it says don't let it fade, but we do not see the letter T here. All I have to do is hit retry for it to create another image for me, and as you can see, it has rewritten it perfectly. Once selected, hit retry video for it to convert that image into video, and that's it. Now here are some pro editing tips that I have for you. For a polished professional music video, try combining the singing video and the narrative video. And here you go. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. If you had any challenges, hit me in the comment section below. And let me know what you are creating this week. I would love to hear from you. Thank you, OpenArt, for sponsoring this video. From here, God bless you. Let me see you in this next video where you can learn how to create awesome animated dialogue scenes. God bless you.